Hello, welcome to Succulent Sound Garden. My name's Jason. I attempted to dress for the occasion, but I think that these are actually cacti and not succulents, but it's the thought that counts. I'll be playing a song by Joe Satriani, who's one of my favorite guitarists. It's called Always With Me, Always With You. And I'll be playing on this guitar, which I built for my Recital Project here at Nueva in 8th grade. I'm now in 12th grade. I'm a senior here. And I also recorded the backing track that I'll be playing with this evening.